Hello all, I welcome you back on my channel Learn for Future Vision. Here I am with the second video of our grammar series for beginners. I hope you have seen my first video of grammar series for beginners in which we have studied the types of sentences. We will have a quick recapitulation for types of sentences. The types of sentences are declarative sentence which makes statements, interrogative sentences which ask questions, imperative sentences give commands, exclamatory sentences expresses strong emotions, and the last is conditional sentences which depend on specific conditions. When we are about to speak or write in English, the main thing that hits our mind is, do I know proper English grammar? And the second question is, what exactly is grammar? What are the topics that I need to know speak and write English? So I will tell you what exactly grammar is. Simple meaning of grammar is how words and phrases are used to create meaningful sentences. Unless and until you use well, here in this video, I will suggest you few topics including various types of sentences to start speaking and writing better English. Here is the list. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verbs, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection, tenses, and types of sentences. The topic types of sentences we have studied earlier in our grammar series 1. And in today's video, we will study about the topic noun. Noun. Every name is called a noun. It can be a name of any person, a place, an animal, or thing. For example, name of a girl, Sarah. Name of a country, India. Name of an animal, cat. Or name of a fruit, apple. Names or nouns can be special or common. Here are some common types of nouns. First one is common nouns. Common nouns are general names given to the people, animals, objects, or concepts. They do not refer to any specific individual or entity. Example, dog, car, city, book. The second one is proper noun. Proper nouns are specific names of particular people, places, organizations, or things. They are capitalized. Example, John, London, Coca-Cola, Mount Everest. The one thing special in proper noun is those names are capitalized. You can notice in the given examples John, London, Coca-Cola, Mount Everest. The letter which is first is capitalized. Next is concrete nouns. Concrete nouns are tangible objects that can be perceived through senses: touch, sight, taste, smell, or hearing. For example, you can recognize by seeing that it is a table, which means you use sight. You can see and tell whether it is a cat. You can smell and tell whether it is a flower. You can taste and tell that it is a chocolate. And when you hear, you understand that it is music. So these are examples of concrete nouns. Abstract nouns represent ideas, concepts, qualities, or states that cannot be perceived through the senses. For example, love, happiness, courage, knowledge, freedom. When you see a person, you cannot tell whether the person has proper knowledge of a subject or not. So it cannot be perceived through senses. Such noun is called abstract noun. Next type of noun is countable nouns. Countable nouns refer to things that can be counted as discrete units. For example, book, chair, students. Example is book, chair, students. We can count these nouns. The next one is uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns refer to things that cannot be easily counted or separated into individual units. For example, water, rice, information, happiness cannot be counted in 1, 2, or 3. Yes, it can be counted into 1 liter of water, 1 kg of rice, but when you go to a shop, you cannot ask for 1 rice or 2 rice. So, such nouns are called uncountable nouns. The next example is collective nouns. Collective nouns refer to a group or collection of people or things. When we say a bunch of flowers or a dozen of bananas, it is collective nouns. For other examples are team, family, flock, herd. Next type is compound nouns. Compound nouns are formed by combining two or more words to create a single noun. For example, toothpaste, football, sunflower, swimming pool. These words include two nouns. Tooth and paste together makes toothpaste. Foot and ball together make football. Next is possessive nouns. Possessive nouns show ownership or possession of something. Whenever you see a possessive noun, it will have an apostrophe s in it. Example, Sarah's car, the company's profits, children's toys. Next type is gerunds. Gerunds are nouns formed from verbs by adding ing and are used to represent actions or activities. For example, swimming, dancing, reading. Swim is a verb. When we add ing to it, it becomes swimming. So, swimming is the gerund. Same for dancing, reading, writing. So, understanding the types of nouns will help you use them effectively in your sentences, which will surely help you to improve your reading, writing, and speaking skills in English. So for more such videos, like, share, and subscribe to my channel Learn for Future Vision. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you. Bye bye.